Welcome to my channel Maths Pursuit. Today we will look into the questions from the chapter called Linear Equations in One Variable. The given question is solve the following equation and check your result. And the given equation is 2y plus 5 upon 3 is equal to 26 upon 3 minus y. So guys, let us see how we can solve the equation and then how we can check our result. Question has given us this equation 2y plus 5 upon 3 is equal to 26 upon 3 minus y. Question has given us this equation and question is asking us to do two things. One is solve the equation, and the other thing is that check the result, So question is asking us to do two things. One is solve the equation and the other thing is to check the result. So question has given us this equation 2y plus 5 upon 3 is equal to 26 upon 3 minus y. And we need to solve the equation and then we need to check our result. So now let us see how we can solve this equation. Question has given us 2y plus 5 divided by 3 is equal to 26 divided by 3 minus y. This is what the question has given us, this equation. Or I can write 2y plus 5 divided by 3 minus y is equal to 26 divided by 3. So what I wrote here 2y plus 5 by 3 minus y is equal to 26 by 3. So what I am doing here, I just moved this minus y to left side of this equation. That means transposing minus y from right hand side, transposing minus y from right hand side to left hand side. This is what we did here. That means moving minus y from right hand side to left hand side. And we very well know when a negative number moves to the other side, it becomes positive. So here what we got 2y plus 5 divided by 3 plus y is equal to 26 upon 3. Or I can write 2y plus 5 upon 2y plus y is equal to 26 upon 3 minus 5 upon 3. What I am doing here, what I did here, I can say I just moved this 5 upon 3 from left hand side to right hand side. I just moved 5 upon 3 from left hand side to right hand side. That means transposing plus 5 divided by 3, 5 upon 3 from left hand side to right hand side. Hope guys I am very clear till here. What we got? We got 2y plus y. 2y plus y is equal to 26 divided by 3 minus 5 divided by 3. Or I can write 2y plus y is 3y is equal to, here LCM is 3. Directly then I can do 26 minus 5 divided by 3. Or I can write 3y is equal to 21 divided by 3. Or I can write 3y is equal to 7. How 7? This 3 7 are 21. So what we got? We got 3y is equal to 7. Or I can write 3y divided by 3 is equal to 7 divided by 3. What I am doing here? I just dividing both sides by 3. Why I am dividing both sides by 3? I want to eliminate these 3 from y. I want to remove this 3 from y. If I can remove this 3 from y, then I can get the value of y. So for that reason I am dividing both the side of the equation with y or by y. Now if I divide 3 with 3, then only I can eliminate it. If I am dividing something to the left side of the equation, then definitely I need to do the same thing to the right side of the equation. For that purpose or for that reason, I am dividing both the sides by 3. or I can write now, or I can write y is equal to 7 divided by 3. How? These three cancels out. So what we got? We got y is equal to 7 divided by 3, or 7 upon 3. Now guys, this is our answer. So when we solved the given equation, we got the value of y. When we solved the given equation, we got the value of y as 7 upon 3. Now, let us look into the second part of the question. Second part of the question is asking us to check the answer. That means we need to check the answer. In order to check the answer, let us rewrite the given equation. Let us rewrite the question. The question was 2y plus 5 upon 3 is equal to 26 upon 3 minus y. This is what the question has given us. Now, let us first of all solve the left hand side. Let us first of all find out left hand side. So, left hand side of the equation is 2y plus 5 upon 3. Left hand side of the equation is 2y plus 5 upon 3. Or that is equal to, I can write 2 into 7 upon 3. 2 into 7 upon 3 plus 5 upon 3. Just replacing the value of y. Here we got the value of y as 7 upon 3. So I replace the value of y with 7 upon 3. So what we got? We got 2 into 7 upon 3 plus 5 upon 3. That is equal to 2 7s are 14. 14 divided by 3 plus 5 divided by 3. That is equal to 14 plus 5 divided by 3. That is equal to 19 divided by 3. So what we got? The left hand side, for the left hand side we got 19 upon 3. Now let us check the right hand side of this equation. So right hand side is 26 upon 3 minus y, or that is equal to, I can write 26 upon 3 minus 7 upon 3. Just replacing the value of y that we got above. Above means here. If you look here, the value for y that we got in this step, I have replaced it. Or I can write 26 minus 7 divided by 3, just taking the LCM as 3, or that is equal to 19 upon 3. So what we got? You could see that for left side of the equation, we got the result as 19 upon 3. For right side of the equation, we also got the result as 19 upon 3. So we can write, therefore, left hand side is equal to right hand side. Therefore, left hand side is equal to right hand side. Hence the result is verified. Hence the result is verified, or hence the result is checked, or let's write it, hence the result is verified. Hope guys you understood this. This is very simple and very straightforward. But still, if you have any questions or doubts, please reach out to me in the comment section of this video. Definitely I will get back to you once I see your comments. Guys, if you really like my videos, please subscribe and let your friends know. If you really like my videos, I would request you to kindly subscribe and also let your friends know. This will motivate me to create similar videos in the future. Thank you. Bye.